In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, BigSpy and PowerAdSpy. Now, whether you're doing dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or anything else, using the right research tools to find the best products to sell and being able to learn from your competitors can be a total game changer for your business. And now, if you pick the wrong tool, that's a great way to waste a lot of time and a lot of money. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision, because I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools one at a time, including product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription costs, automation features, and much more. For your convenience, I've included the links to both BigSpy and PowerAdSpy in the description below so you can check them out. Now let's get started. BigSpy doesn't really focus directly on the product discovery in the traditional sense, but it excels in uncovering successful advertising campaigns for various products. This indirect approach allows users to identify trending products based on their advertising performance and giving insights into what is currently capturing the market's attention and driving sales. Now, what about market analysis? So BigSpy provides extensive market analysis capabilities, particularly in the realm of advertising. Users can view detailed analytics on ad performance, including engagement rates, reach, and demographic information. This allows for a deep understanding of market trends and consumer behavior, which is essential for crafting compelling advertising strategies. Let's talk about the integration with other platforms for BigSpy. While BigSpy itself does not integrate directly with e-commerce platforms for product listing or management, it's really invaluable for understanding the advertising landscape on platforms where dropshipping products are marketed, like Facebook, Instagram, Google, and much more. What about the supplier database? So BigSpy does not include a supplier database, as it's primarily focused on advertising data rather than direct dropshipping logistics. BigSpy boasts a user-friendly interface that's pretty easy to navigate. They've got lots of different filters you can use to help find different types of ads that you're looking for. The dashboard is well organized. That makes it simple for users if you want to access various features and if you want to filter, do more advanced filtering for advertisements. Customer support and community. BigSpy offers reliable customer support with options to contact them via email as well as live chat. Additionally, there's an active community of users, and BigSpy often hosts webinars and they post tutorials that are really helpful for both new and experienced users. Now let's talk about the pricing structure. So BigSpy offers several pricing tiers, including a basic version going all the way up to VIP. So basic starts from $9 a month and VIP goes up to over $3,600 a year. And they also have the group as well as the Pro. Pro is their one of the most popular plans, and you can actually try it for just $1 using the link in the description. If you decide to pay yearly, then you can save between 10 to 30%, which is a significant amount, and you can see everything that's included in each of the pricing plans. Now let's talk about the automation features. So BigSpy doesn't include automation features that are related to dropshipping operations, but it can automate tracking different types of ads across different platforms, and that's really beneficial if you want to keep up to date with the kind of advertising that your competitors are doing. Let's talk about analytics and reporting. BigSpy excels in analytics and reporting with detailed breakdowns of ad performance metrics. So this comprehensive data is crucial for understanding which types of ads are most effective and why. Now, is BigSpy available on your mobile? Well, currently they don't offer a mobile app, which can be a limitation for some users who want mobile access for their research and monitoring activities. So you would have to do it on like your laptop or your computer if you want to use BigSpy. So what about the reviews and user feedback? Well, feedback for BigSpy is generally very positive, especially its ability to provide in-depth advertising insights. Users appreciate the breadth of data that's available and the ease of use with which you can analyze trends and competitor strategies. But some users have complained that they'd like to have a mobile app support so they can do direct e-commerce integration and also just view their analytics on their phone if they're not at their computer. BigSpy overall is a standout tool for anyone who wants to enhance their advertising strategies as a dropshipper. PowerAdSpy is not directly focused on product discovery. It offers an indirect method through the analysis of successful advertising campaigns. By identifying which products are frequently advertised and performing well in various markets, users can get insights into trending products and potential niche opportunities. Now, what about market analysis? PowerAdSpy excels in market analysis, particularly in the context of advertising. It provides comprehensive data on ad performance, including engagement metrics, audience demographics, and geographical data. This allows dropshippers to understand which products are popular in different regions and tailor their marketing strategies accordingly. So, how does it integrate with other platforms? PowerAdSpy primarily serves as an ad analysis tool. It doesn't really integrate directly with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, so you can't use it for product management or listing. However, the insights that you get from spying on other people's ads can help you no matter what platform you're on, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other one. What about supplier database? Again, PowerAdSpy does not include a supplier database because focused on advertising insights, not the complete supply chain management aspect of dropshipping. So what about their pricing and profitability tools? Well, PowerAdSpy does not actually have anything to do with pricing and profitability for dropshipping operations. But nevertheless, understanding the advertising spend and engagement data can help you kind of indirectly estimate the potential profitability based on the success of other people's ads for similar products. What about the user interface and ease of use? PowerAdSpy boasts a clean, intuitive user interface that's pretty easy to navigate. Even if you are a beginner to ad spying, the platform has a straightforward layout with powerful filtering options to help you quickly find the most relevant ad campaigns based on various criteria. So how do they do for customer support and community? PowerAdSpy provides robust customer support through multiple channels including live chat, email, and a comprehensive FAQ section. The platform also maintains an active presence on social media, offering additional support and community engagement through platforms like Facebook. Now let's look at something that I'm sure you're all interested in, which is their pricing. So if we look at pricing right here, we can see that they have a monthly subscription plan. And if you decide to pay annually, then you'll save between 50 to 70%. So you can definitely save a lot of money if you're serious about trying PowerAdSpy. I would recommend going yearly. But if you just want to try it out right off the bat, you don't know if it's right for you, then go with monthly. You can use the link in the description to try it. They actually have a free package that you can sign up for, and then you go up to basic, where you can actually try it for just $1 for 3 days, and then it goes up to $69 a month. And then as you get more and more features and more ad views, the price goes up all the way up to almost $400 a month. And so you can actually see on the website all the different features that are included with each plan. Now, what about analytics and reporting? Well, PowerAdSpy offers excellent analytics and reporting capabilities, providing detailed insights into ad performance metrics like clicks, impressions, and conversions. These reports are really valuable for understanding what kind of ads are successful and how you can replicate that success for yourself. Now, as far as mobile app availability goes, currently PowerAdSpy doesn't offer a mobile app, which can limit the accessibility for some users, especially if you want to manage your research on mobile devices when you're not at your computer. As far as what other people say in terms of user feedback and reviews, PowerAdSpy PowerAdSpy is generally has positive reviews. What people particularly like is its comprehensive ad database and deep analytical capabilities. It's not perfect, but it's still a great platform for a lot of people, especially if you're a dropshipper or a marketer. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.